further gain of the gain. I saw it now reaching 200%. Ginkgo is losing ground. Let's look at PIXY. $187.36. We have already seen such levels before. $194.2, 201, 196. Okay, share split has taken place for PIXY. $205, 208%, 210. Okay, stocks on the move in this session of today, the 27th of September 2023. Tesla is down 0.41%, but the broader market, especially S&P and the Nasdaq, they're all up S&P is up 0.43%, Nasdaq up 0.48%. Will Tesla pull back and recover these losses? It's a run up now. We're also seeing what's going on with auto workers, the strike going on there. Some are saying that it's because there's this shift to electric cars that is probably what is probably behind these strikes. But the strikes are not affecting Tesla. In our opinion, we think Tesla is best suited to just do electric vehicles. That's what it's doing. But electric vehicles is not suited for the entire auto industry. The market doesn't just need electric vehicles alone. It needs electric vehicles, hybrids, and some ICE vehicles. But what we are looking at right now is just a total shift towards electric vehicles. And these workers are all concerned. They need money. They're concerned. They have there is I would say an 83% clawback on skills, because these electric vehicles have far less moving parts, and it's definitely going to require far more skills to maintain them. So for now, these guys are still in the auto industry, but they are concerned. They are at the crossroads of moving to other industries, or retooling, reskilling. They need money. There's nothing wrong about that. That's the nature of the business. That's the nature of the game. That's the nature of business. Your employees are going to demand money, but what is not in the nature of business is the government trying to interfere and taking sides. If government is going to interfere, has to be in the line of keeping the market fair for both the consumers, the employees, and the businesses. So Tesla down 0.43, trying to claw back some of these losses. It's printing right now. So let's quickly have a look at Apple. Okay, recovering now as well, up 0.07%. They're trying to get in line with what's going on with the broader market. Okay, let's see. It says here the Pegatron fire in India. They have dealt with it now, and they are trying to open the market. They're trying to that factory is open now, I think, in India. Yeah, so the Pegatron factory, Apple's Pegatron factory. So 2.438 million shares have crossed the tape for Apple. This is where everything is printed out. The aggression is here, the buy and the sell aggressions. This is where they are printed out. If liquidity is poor on the stock, if it dries up, it's as a result of the aggression of those who are using market orders to get involved. Okay, we're not seeing a lot of aggression, only 0.2%, so it really shouldn't be a case of aggression. I don't think it is. So NVDA is the next one. NVDA 1.36%. That's the gain. That's what we're looking at right now. Okay, Cloudflare powers high power local AI inference with NVIDIA accelerated computing. Okay, let's see what's going on with the charts. 1.22%. NVIDIA 2.781 million shares across the table. We also have to look at NVIDIA here on trading view. NVIDIA, let's see. NVIDIA, let's see what's going on here. We have this is the 1-day chart for NVIDIA. We saw a pivot as of Thursday, as of Thursday the 21st. It pivoted at 409.84. It's showing strength, just right on its upper projection of 424.87%. So the 10-day moving average is projecting a move all the way towards 400. Let's get it. 479.77 on this daily chart. So if that is the case, then the stock itself might reach 484.29 for NVIDIA come Tuesday the 3rd of October. 484.29 is projected for NVIDIA come Tuesday the 3rd of October. Yeah, that's a projection for NVIDIA, but there are also other projections, but we didn't get there, given that there might still be some weakness in the broader market. So there's 503.46, there's 551.96. Okay, so but on the let's quickly have a look on the 1-minute chart and see hourly chart for NVIDIA and see what's going on and what we might see in this regular session. So it's projecting some strength up till 1 p.m. New York time at $421, just slightly above where it is now, 421. So okay, so that's okay, it's doing better now. Well, but the stock is at 424 at the moment, so it wouldn't be, from where it is right now, it's not a very it's not an upper projection, but in any case that's the moving average, so it's probably in line with what is going on right now. So okay, let's quickly have a look at the let's return to the 1-day chart on NVIDIA and then move on to the next stock. Next stock will be SOFI. SOFI, we have it's up 1.22% on the daily chart. It's there's a projection on its 10-day moving average that we're going to see some weakness up till the Thursday the 5th of October. Weakness. It's projected that it's but before that time, yeah, it might show some strength and then drop back. But even at that, it's considering that the stock is at $7.49, so I wouldn't say that's really. It's projecting that it might spike and then pull back again. So, but based on what we're looking at right now, that spike may still be enough to keep it above where it is right now. So we have a downward projection of $7.3. We have 6.84, we have 6.21, we have 5.38, upper projections of 7.75, 8.32. There's also a 10-day moving average projection there. This will be on Wednesday, the 4th of October. So all in all, there's it's projected by Friday the 29th, it would have it may have reached 8.73, and then that's the 10-day moving average. Then upward there's the Fibonacci projection of 9.2. We don't exactly know whether that's going to happen or not, you know. So let's quickly have a look at Nikola. Nikola is okay, up 4% in this regular session, projected to move sideways and reach 1.91 on its 10-day moving average, 1.91 by Thursday the 5th of October, projected to reach those sort of levels. But there's an upper projection of $2.97. Any guarantee that's going to happen? But right now the projection on its 10-day moving average, they're all concentrated around $1.1. There are a couple of there's a Fibonacci projection just around that, coinciding with the projections for 4 trading sessions on the Nikola stock, you know. But there's the next upper projection it has is 1.71, and then above that is 3.01. All of these are on the 1-day chart for Nikola. Okay, so the market has opened, and let's see what's going on. Okay, let's look at Nikola. Okay, 13.364 million shares have crossed the tape, gain of 3%. Let's look at the chart again. There's okay, so it may have reached the bottom as of Friday, as of last Friday. It may have reached the bottom of 1.21, because there are a lot of support. There's a lot of support there, you know, and sometimes that tends to indicate a bottom. But yeah, we saw that as well some time ago in August. But even at that, it still retraced further, and but in any case, this time around, it's got support from there, and that bottom proved to be true, you know. So okay, so see what